Hot dogs are an all-American fare, but most likely it was German sausage makers who first came up with the idea. In fact, there are reports of German immigrants selling them from push carts in New York's Bowery as far back as the 1860s. A century and a half later, hot dogs are still the #1 treat on the street. Traditional hot dogs are made from a mix of pork, beef, and chicken. The cuts they start with are called trimmings, pieces of meat left over from cutting steaks or pork chops. The trimmings are ground the same way butchers chop up hamburger meat, by pushing the cuts through grated metal plates. Processed chicken trimmings are added to the ground meat, followed by food starch, salt, and other flavorings. These flavorings vary depending on where the hot dogs are to be sold, because people in different regions have different tastes. Water is sprayed into the mix, and everything is blended together in a big vat. Corn syrup adds a dash of sweetness. The addition of even more water helps to disperse the ingredients and make the hot dogs juicier. Another machine then purees the meat batter into a fine emulsion and vacuums out any air. Long rolls of cellulose tubing are loaded into the stuffing machine. It pumps the meat puree into these casings, twisting it every 5 1/4 inches, the length of one hot dog. It takes a chain of hot dogs that would span a soccer field twice. Then, 3 of those hot dog chains are linked together in longer string.
We interrupt your programming. This is an emergency alert in your area. We are signaling all TV boxes to broadcast this message. In around the next 15 to 20 minutes, a massive tornado will be formed and approach in your area. These tornado is powerful and will cause houses and building to collapse, causing debris. Please take the necessary instructions. Find a shelter at home. If you're outside, find a sturdy building. Head to the lowest point of the building. Secure all doors, windows and hide yourself on a table. Cover your head with a pillow or a helmet. If there is enough time, pack your emergency items, like water bottle, canned food, first aid kit, documents and your cell phone. We recommend maximize the volume you are broadcasting and keep tuning into this channel for further updates.
If your area is under a tornado warning, act now. You may only have a few minutes to get. Seek shelter immediately. Go to a safe room, basement, storm cellar, or the lowest level in a sturdy building. If there is no basement, go to the center of the building and away from windows and doors. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. Get under a sturdy object like a table and cover yourself with pillows and blankets. Use your arms to protect your head and neck. A helmet can offer some protection too. Immediately. If there isn't enough time and you are caught by extreme winds or flying debris, park the car as quickly and safely as possible, out of the traffic lanes. Stay in the car with the seatbelt on. Put your head down below the windows. Cover your head with your hands and a blanket, coat, or other cushion if possible. Do not park under an overpass or bridge, and never try to outrun a tornado in an urban or congested area. If you are outside, find the lowest point on the ground and lie face down. Use down. Use your arms to protect your head and neck. And most importantly, watch out for flying debris. It causes most fatalities and injuries. Safety is job number one. Get weather ready. If your area is under a tornado warning, act now. You may only have a few to safety. Seek shelter immediately. Go to a safe room, basement, storm cellar, or the lowest level in a sturdy building. If there is no basement, go to the center of the building and away from windows and doors. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. Get under a sturdy object like a table and cover yourself with pillows and blankets.
We interrupt your programming. This is an important message about the tornado. It did not affect in most area, but there is a weird phenomenon and scientist is discovering what is that phenomenon is. The storm is not over. I repeat, the storm is not over. Continue to tune in this broadcast and also do not leave the building. It is expected that this ends in
That mic, quick!
Oh no, hurry off it. Yes, that button. Yes, ouch, some thunder shock me.